Hello everyone, welcome to Maths online class. Students, in this video I will be re-explaining the remaining part of the exercise 4, which is a rational number. Means this is a revision. And which part of revision? This is the second part of the revision. Second part, revision of the rational number. So let's start today's topic. And today's topic is in today's video I have re-explained. I will be re-explain the compare of rational number and then how to express in a numerator and denominator with given rational number, and addition and then subtraction of the rational number. So listen carefully. So how we can write or how we can compare the any rational number. Student, in my previous video means in revision first part I have explained you what is a rational number. So you know which number we can write in the form of P upon Q. In the form of P upon Q, so that number, which form? P upon Q. So that number is known as a rational number, and where Q is not equals to 0. Q is not equals to 0. So this is the rational number, and I have also re-explained in my previous video rational number, how we can write the rational number with the positive denominator and standard form. So let's start today's topic. First is a compare. How we can compare the any rational number. When we have a two rational numbers, we can compare easily. Firstly, we compare the denominator. First point, compare the denominator. If denominators are equal there, then we compare the numerator. And denominator, in the comparison, denominator should be there equal. Should be there equal means denominator equal होना चाहिए. तभी हम compare कर पाएंगे. So if the denominators are equal, then compare the numerator. And what is here given? Here is given 5 minus 5 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. So look here. This denominator is a minus and this is a plus. So, and you know very well, negative number is always less than positive number, means positive number is always greater than negative number. So this is a negative, this is a positive, means which means greater than. So 3 upon 8 is greater than minus 5 upon 8, or you can also write the like this. So you can also say that minus 5 upon 8 is less than 3 upon 8. And how we can compare with a different denominator? So look here, we have a two method. First is the LCM method. First LCM method. By LCM we take the LCM of the 2 and 3. Firstly we find the LCM of 2 and 3, and then we find the equivalent fraction of the given fraction or rational number. So after the equivalent, then we can compare by the numerator. Because denominator should be equal in the rational or fraction number. So what is here given? Minus 3 upon 2, minus 4 upon 3. Both denominators are different. So we have another method. Which one? By cross multiplication. If we have only two numbers, so we can find by the cross multiplication. So what is here given? Minus 3 upon 2 and minus 4 upon 3. So by cross multiplication we can find the which one is greater and which one is smaller. And in cross multiplication, this denominator multiply by first numerator and the first numerator multiply by second numerator. And now 3 3 is a 9. What? Minus 9. 2 4 is a 8. What? Minus 8. Both sides are a minus. If you find the both number in a minus, then you know a smaller negative number is always greater than what? Greater negative number, means this which one greater than? Forget the negative. Negative भूल जाओ, अभी कौन सा greater है? ये greater है. तो negative numbers में which one is greater? Smaller number is greater. Small number is greater. Then means right hand side on the number line always greater than left hand side. Meaning अगर right hand side number हमेशा क्या होता है? Greater होता है number line पे किसी भी number से, चाहे वो positive हो या negative हो. Which means right hand side 2. तो positive में भी 2, हमेशा right hand side का number क्या होगा? वो greater होगा. हमेशा right hand side का. -1 greater than -2. So which one is greater than? Minus 8 is greater than minus 9. So this is the compare. Now how we can express any given rational number with given numerator or denominator? Here the question is saying 7 upon minus 5 write as a rational number with, express the first, with numerator 28. Means numerator should be 28. Numerator should be that fraction 28. So means what is the fraction here is 7 upon minus 5. Then question is saying जो ये वाला fraction होगा, how we can, so this is the equivalent rational number. ये क्या है? Equivalent rational number. So what is your given? 28. So 28, but here is a no denominator. So how we can find the denominator? Look here, this is the first rational number, this is second rational number, and in the second rational number we have only the numerator. So how we can find the denominator? Which one is the missing here? Denominator. So how we can find? We can find by the equivalent rational number rule. So compare these two numerator. 7 is a 28. And 28 how many times greater than 7? How many times? 4 times. So you know table of the 7, so you can easily find. Means 7 fours are. So what we get the number here? 4. So 4 is the number which is multiplied by numerator and denominator with the first fraction. Means अब 4 जो multiply होगा इन दो नंबर से, तो आपको denominator क्या मिलेगा? 28 ही रहेगा. So 7 4s are 28 and 5 4s are 20 and this is the minus 20. And then answer is the 28 upon minus 20. Okay. Now third, addition. In addition, listen, this is rational number addition and we solve same like R, we solve same as a fraction or like as a fraction. हम fraction के ही rule से इसको solve करेंगे. Only one thing keep in mind, if you find answer with the negative denominator, so negative denominator convert in positive denominator, means denominator always should be positive form. So 5 upon 3 plus 3 minus 2 upon 3. So what is here given? 3 in both. This is the equal denominator addition. This is the equal denominator addition. So how we can add? You know, addition equal है, तो denominator equal है, तो we can write the as a common denominator 3. Then you know how we can write the upside number multiplying by the denominator. To denominator means first number rational number denominator by the common denominator and second rational number divided by the common denominator. So 3 ones are what we get? 1. So 5 multiplied by 1, then plus minus 2. Why? Because we cannot write the two sign together. Okay, हम दो साइन साथ में रख सकते हैं, इसीलिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? ब्रैकेट. 3 ones are 3, then multiply by 1. Now 5 ones are 5 plus minus 2 upon 3, then 5 minus 2 upon 3, then 3 upon 3. 3 upon 3 is a divisible? Yes, by 3. Then answer will be get 1. So this is the answer of this question. Now another question, 5 upon 8 and minus 11 upon 12. So what is here? Here is a different denominator. So how we can find? By the LCM. You can find the LCM of 8 and 12. So this is the 2, 4, 6, 2, 2, 3, then 2, 1, 3, then 3, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 is a 24. So 24 is the common denominator. 24 is the common denominator. So you know process of the addition of rational numbers. So you can easily solve. LCM of 8 and 12. So what is the LCM of? LCM of 8 and 12 is a 24. Now 8 3s are, so 5 multiplied by 3 plus minus 11, 12 2s are multiplied by 2. Then 5 3s are 15 plus 22. Okay. Then upon 24. Then 15 minus 22. upon 24. Then what is there? 15 minus 22. Subtraction, because there are the different sign. So you know different sign means difference. Different sign means difference. So you find the difference of the 15 and 20. And what will the difference of 15 and 20? Difference will be 7 upon 24. But which one is greater there? 22, and 22 with the minus. So answer is a minus 7 upon 24. Now subtraction. So how we can subtract this type subtraction, and you know very well how we can subtract. So first, what is given? What is subtraction? First rational number from second rational number. So how we can subtract the first rational number from the second rational number? So this is the first question, and first question is given here is a which form? Same denominator form. So we can easily subtract. So which was the first? This is the first, this is second. This is the first and this is the second. Question saying first from second. First from second. So we know that the rule second minus first. Second minus firstly we decided which was the first. So first number always will be first and second number always will be second. So which one is the first? This is the first, this is the second, and according to the question, so second minus first, and which one is second? 5 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7. So what? 5 minus 2 upon 7. Then answer will be 3 upon 7. Okay. Now second, 11 upon minus 15 from minus 13 upon 20. 11 upon minus 15 from minus 20 upon 30. So which was the first here? This is the first, this is the second. Understood? Then, but here is a different denominator. So we can find the LCM of the different denominators. So you can find LCM 15 and 20. 2, 15, 10. 2, 15, 5. 3, 5, 5. Then 5, 1. 2 to the 4. 4 is the 12. 12 5 is 60. LCM 60. So LCM will write as a common denominator. Then 15 divided by 60. We get the 4. LCM 60 आ गया. तो 15 60 15 डिवाइड करो क्या 4 मिलेगा. Then 11 multiply by one thing is amiss here. What? This is a different denominator. What? Negative denominator. So firstly we write the in positive denominator. How we can write? Just use the sign shift in the numerator, multiplying by minus 1 in a denominator and multiplying by minus 1 in a numerator, and you can get the same number. What? Minus 11 multiply by 4 minus, this is a minus 13. देखो यहाँ minus क्यों होगा? Minus क्योंकि minus क्या है करने के लिए? Subtract कर रहा है. So subtract from. So we use the minus sign for the subtraction. Then 23 is so 13 multiplied by 2. Okay. Then minus 44 and then plus 26. How we get the 26 plus minus 13 to the 26 and minus plus. Then this is a minus, this is a plus. Different sign means difference of the number. We find difference of the number. So you know, so 44 minus 26, 14 minus 6, 8, 3, 18. So what 18? Minus 44 is greater than, means 44 is greater than 26. So 44 we have a minus sign. So we use always in difference greater number sign. So minus 18 upon 60. Understood? Then 18 and 16 divisible by which number? 3. Yes? 3 or 6? 6. 6 3s are and 6 10s are. Then answer will be get minus 3 upon 10. Minus 3 upon. Your homework, you solve the any 10 question from the addition and subtraction. Any 10 question from the addition and subtraction. 10 question from exercise 4B. Exercise 4B. This is your homework. So students, thank you and take care.